Mga tinatawag na electoral boundaries ang tawag namin, hindi yung barangay natin sa Pilipinas, parang siguro mga ganun ang
electoral boundaries, okay.
Electoral boundaries. Dito, meron eskwelahan dito na technology. Cherrybrook, ano ang pangalan nyo? Kaya attracted.
Technology.
Yeah. Attracted yung mga Chinese, yung mga Sri Lankan, Indian.
Because of the technology, yes.
High school
Yung iba nga, nag-residence lang sila dito just to get into the school. Dahil hindi ka pwede pag you don't live in the boundaries.
State school yan
Yes.
Criteria you have to be.
Sa kapag ganitong oras, ang kalsada is not that easy and crazy.
Nakaalis na yung mga pumapasok. Itong dadaanan natin, these are the old normal roads.
Okay.
Giant BHP is admitted to underpaying almost 30,000 workers. They now face the prospect of having to back pay staff more than